What up? I'm Melissa Fortune of Created by Fortune and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm super excited. I'm gonna unbox and review 3 brand new bags that I just got in from Verano Hill. I've had these bags in for a few weeks now and I have not touched them, I have not looked at them. I wanted to do it on camera, that way you get my real raw review. Before we get into the unboxing, I wanna read a few things to you. Verano Hill was founded on the belief that everyone deserves access to beautiful, well-crafted accessories without the inflated price tag. Hello. Free returns and also free shipping on orders over $125. All the materials used in the design are ethically sourced, which I love. All handbags are made out of genuine leather and all items come with a 6-month warranty. Give it up. Yes. The first bag that we're gonna unbox is the Lucia handbag. The Lucia handbag comes in black and brown. I honestly don't remember what color I got this in, so that also too will be a surprise. So first up, we have the satin duster bag with the brand logo printed on the front. One of the things that drew me to this bag when I was making my selections is the fact that I've talked about this before for a long time, and also the trend was really big bags. And then the pendulum swung and it became tiny bags. And I got a whole bunch of tiny bags. And now I feel like I don't have enough normal bags. Even like bags that I could go out with that are a little bit bigger, that I can fit a little bit more things into. And that's where this comes in. So I got brown and she's beautiful. All the trims and everything is covered appropriately, so I'm just gonna take all this stuff out so you guys can really see the bag. So here she is. I love the handle on top and I love that you can flatten it or you can pull it up. Gold closure in the front that twists to open and close. Smells amazing. iPhone Pro can fit in here. I could definitely fit my DJI in here as well. Lip gloss, this is a perfect size. We have a little pocket back here that can fit your credit cards, your ID. I love this bag. It's so cute, chic, but also functional. This costs $145. And I do have to say the brand is currently doing buy one, get one free. So you know what to do. Okay, the next bag is a Vienna handbag. So excited about this. The hardest thing about getting these bags is deciding what color to get in what. Because I was trying so hard not to get black unless it was like a nice little work tote. Everything else I tried to get a different color in just because I have way too many black bags in general. The Vienna comes in 8 different colors and I'll pop them all up so you can see this bag. The design is so dope. I cannot wait to unbox it. So let's go. Not sure if I said it already, but it's $165. Again, everything comes in the satin duster. Okay. She is even cuter in person. Oh my God. Y'all really about to be sick of me in this bag. I have to say about this brand, each bag is literally packaged to perfection with love to make sure that the item comes in pristine. All the hardware is covered. When you take this out of the satin duster, there's another duster in there. And then when you take the bag out, it's still protected and covered with a ton of stuff. How cute is she? Little gold foot at the bottom, this asymmetrical detail at the hem. I love these handles. They're so different and like Art Deco-ish. Have this magnetic closure in the center. Again, even though this is a small bag, it has a lot of room in here. I have an iPhone Pro, so it does fit in here, but then it also blocks the magnetic closure, which is fine as long as everything else fits in my bag. I can fit my DJI in here, my wallet, lip gloss, everything I need for a night out. Also comes with a cute little coin purse with the brand's name embossed on the bottom. Also the embossing on the bag as well. Cute little detail. I love having a little coin purse that goes with this. It's perfect. I love the gold hardware and details. This is such a cute, fun bag. The quality is really impeccable. All the edges are sealed, clean. These bags are truly premium products at affordable price points. Like this, the quality is insane. And just in this day and age, just for, what did I say, $165? Well worth it. Strap is adjustable and has 5 different holes. This is such a perfect bag for spring and summer. I got so excited, I forgot to specify the exact color that I got it in. It's beige and I absolutely love it. This bag is perfect for New York City spring and summers. We're about to be out here. I'm in love with this bag, in love. The handle got some weight to it, so it feels like it's definitely made out of real metal and not like a cheap plastic. Oh my God, so beautiful, I love her. This is like my Shayla. My Shayla, I love her so much. Okay, let's go on to the next one. The next bag I'm really excited for. This is the Aurora. This is the Aurora. Why I sound funny? Aurora. Sleeping Beauty's name. Aurora. This is the Aurora sleeping bag. This is the Aurora shoulder bag. Lord, I've been looking for a reliable, genuine leather tote bag that doesn't cost $1 million for so long. It's damn near impossible. Why, you ask? Because I got champagne taste on a beer budget. Everything I look at is like 500 and up immediately for no reason whatsoever. So when the brand reached out to me and offered to gift me 3 bags, of course I immediately ran to the website. Most of the times when I had brands reach out to me, whatever the products were never fit my style. But this brand is so up my alley. When I tell you, it took me at least 2 to 3 days to make my decision because I literally wanted every single bag on the website. But I went with the Aurora tote because I know I needed something that is reliable, that I could travel with, and that I could also bring to work every day. Needed something that could fit my laptop, my iPad, and all the things. We got the satin duster. Now I'm gonna show you guys how this stuff is packaged. First of all, it was in a plastic bag I took out, then the satin duster. Then it's in this bag with lightweight cardboard paper, handles covered. Inside is stuffed. As a designer and consumer, things like this matter to me. Level of care of shipping matters to me. This is perfect. Like I said, this is the Aurora shoulder bag. It costs $165 and it comes in 3 colors. We have black, brown, and caramel, but it's currently sold out. The caramel color is really pretty, but because it was gonna be something, pretty much I'm gonna use this frequently, I wanted black. Okay, so first things first is we have this really cute, fun design. The brand logo embossed in the center in gold. We have the little feet at the bottom of the bag, which I love, in silver. All the hardware on this bag is silver. Magnetic closure. Another issue I was having with tote bags in general is that none of them had closures, and I need something minimum a snap closure. Personally, I prefer a zip closure. Just living, working in a big city, I don't want to get robbed. Simple as that. One of the reasons I love this bag, not only does it have the snap closure, it has an inner bag on the inside that snaps into place. So let's take that out. This bag is just the perfect size. Not too big, not too small. And I have to say, if you recently saw my video where I posted the Cynthia Raleigh bag that I got and the pros and cons, one of the cons were that the shoulder straps couldn't fit over my shoulder, which don't make no sense. So I love this. We have the inner tote bag that has patch pocket on one side, zipper pocket on the other side, and the brand logo embossed on a leather swatch on the inside. This is such a great size because it could fit all my everyday things and then some. Wallet, keys, hand sanitizer, lip gloss, all the things and goodies I have in my bag. Yeah, this is perfect for every day. Fits my iPad. My iPad is the main thing that I'm going to be carrying in this bag every day, and of course my work laptop. And because I work from home 4 days a week now, I usually bring my laptop in on Mondays, leave it until Thursday night. I bring it home, work from home on Fridays. But in between that, I'm usually always carrying around my iPad because that's what I'm primarily editing on now. So this is perfection. Can I say I love the stitching detail on this bag? It's just so freaking cute. I'm happy with every single piece that I got in from this brand. Verano Hill is definitely worth the money. And again, the quality is on point. They had me at 6-month warranty, which is absolutely incredible. There's so many other styles on the website that I would literally buy right now. I'm gonna show you one of the bags that's on my wish list. I'm only gonna do one because if I do more, we'll be here all night. I damn near love every bag on this website. The Natalie handbag also comes in 8 colors. I'll put them up. Oh my God, it is so beautiful. The detailing of the strips of leather, oh, it's gorgeous. This bag is vegan leather. It's $145. I'm obsessed with it. I need this bag. Thank you so much, Verano Hill, for thinking of me. I'm absolutely obsessed with every single bag that I got in today. The quality's impeccable. I think what the brand is doing as a whole is absolutely amazing, especially in this day and age where things are becoming so out of reach for the everyday customer. I think this is a brand absolutely worth investing in. Please don't forget, there is the buy one, get one free. You have to take advantage of it. It don't make no sense if you don't. You have to. I'm about to. Well, that is all, folks. Currently, I'm not sure where the buy one, get one free ends, but what I'll do is I'll find out before I post and make sure that the date is in the description box so that way you guys know. So if you have any questions, please let me know. If you like this video and watch to the end, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you're into fun, fashion, and relatable content, make sure you hit that subscribe button and also hit that notification bell. That way you get notified anytime I drop a new video. And with that, I'll see you in the next one. Peace.